Is this thing on? Yeah. Hi. Hi, everyone. Just finished a Arabic practice broadcast, and we're going to go right into another broadcast now. So let's see. All right. So we did some stuff last time. We did some exploration, did some format um, ideation. We started a new wiki. Let's see if I can get everything on the screen so you can see it and I'm not overlapping. How do we do that? That looks good. So there's a wiki and it might be public. I'm not really sure. We have to see if I can do this here. Well, there we go. Alright, so we created an architecture wiki. Only has 2 pages so far. It's not a very complicated architecture. So, it's funny. Did not intend for it to look like this, but so you may have seen some of my publications lately around the subject of WebAssembly, and I've had an interesting discussion with some of the luminaries, and came to the conclusion that what we should do is call it WASM, not WebAssembly, because WebAssembly conveys the wrong idea. You might think that because I said web, the first word in WebAssembly is web, that whatever I was about to tell you had something to do with web pages after that. But no, it does not. That's absolutely nothing to do with web pages. It's a total coincidence that the original purpose of WebAssembly was to build a thing that you could run inside of a web browser. Total coincidence. Has nothing to do with what we're talking about. Alright, so this wiki page, hopefully you can get there here if you acknowledge that unfortunately I haven't got my DNS record in order yet, so you might not be able to get here if you don't have the right entry in Etsy hosts. We'll try to get this resolved soon, or maybe it'll have a new URL instead. But we want to draw this line here, and we are going to use WebAssembly for web pages, but not the way that we've typically thought of WebAssembly as running in a web browser. The WebAssembly is actually going to host the web pages, and it's going to give us this one key critical benefit, that it starts up and shuts down really quickly. That's my understanding. And we're going to make our web pages very cheap to host by using WebAssembly. So if we have thousands of web pages, really the goal is to be able to host tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of web pages. If that's how many, we should be able to scale that many, and to be able to show that we can still serve many clients concurrently without toppling over or without requiring a much, much bigger server. That's what we like to do. Okay, but right now we've got this wiki page. You probably can't reach it because you're not on Urbit. It's okay. And we've got lots of pages here that we'd like to convert to a best practices model that we haven't invented yet. We have some of them might be close, some of them might be very far away. This is probably the furthest away. And okay, so the other thing that we did last time was a handoff that failed. We tried to do a handoff from one stream to another because I have multiple accounts and I'm switching from one account to another because my Touch ID does not work on this account, but on the new account it works fine. So I'd like to switch to the new account permanently, but for now I still need some things that are in this account because this account is long-lived. It's been my account since I got this laptop. It's got a lot of stuff on it. Uh, so also the games are on the other side. I've already moved the games over, so my Minecraft worlds are safe. So what we're going to try this again, because it didn't work last time, is to do a stream handoff. So I'm actually going to stop streaming. I'm not going to end the broadcast. I'm going to switch accounts. I'm going to try to rejoin the broadcast, and then we'll be in the other account. And if this works, then we can do it again as part of a format. So we've explored the idea of a format where part of the stream is narrated and part is not narrated, where we're transitioning from the open to the closed mode inside of the stream, or to the perhaps in the opposite direction from the closed to the open mode. Um, Talking about this concept of reading the news, right? We need to read the news at some point, and we might as well do that together. Uh, that's one of the things we can do on this stream. We're just going to develop the format together. This is episode 20. We still don't really have a solid format. We've explored a couple of different ideas together, and now we have a wiki. But let's keep exploring. Okay, so we're going to switch accounts, and then if everything works, we're going to try Minecraft again. And we're not just aimlessly trying Minecraft here. We're probably what we're going to see, I predict, hypothesis. If we make it this far, if we get all the way to the other account where we have our Minecraft worlds safely stored now, we will, and it didn't work last time because we forgot to shut off the stream before we left this account. So we wound up having both accounts streaming. But my prediction is this time something will still go wrong, because our Minecraft account is on the laptop itself. So streaming takes a fair amount of juice from the laptop, for lack of a better idiom. So running Minecraft also takes a fair amount of juice. And I predict that we haven't dropped very many frames. It says here dropped 84 frames. I predict that we will have a problem when we're running Minecraft, because we're not just running a Minecraft client, we're running Minecraft server. And I've got Minecraft with a lot of mods installed. It's not just basic Minecraft here. This is a third of the way to RLcraft. I've got lots of mods installed. So it's a heavyweight Minecraft, and it would probably benefit quite a bit from running on a remote server. It says we're dropping frames now. That's interesting. I haven't done anything differently. Wonder if it's my internet. Looks like it's back. Oh, are we back? I'm not sure we dropped any frames at all. I'm not sure you would notice. I'm not sure. I think you would notice if we dropped a substantial number of frames, but maybe not. Maybe it would recover. Okay, so let's do it. I'm going to stop streaming. I'm going to switch accounts, and hopefully this will be a relatively instantaneous transition for you, but in reality it's going to be a minute or two for me. So here we go. Peace. Are we back? It worked. It worked. Some things are a bit off. My left screen has been replaced by my right screen. Now we can see the OBS window because I haven't configured it to be hidden, but this is great. We're in our new account here. Everything is good. Let's see if we can move the screens around to where we want them to be. We've got some scenes here. Oh, they're all empty except for this one. Okay. So, cool. All right, let's see. We said we're going to play Minecraft, right? And that's going to make everything go to hell. Let's give it a shot. We're streaming at a much lower bit rate here. I think I was almost more than double this before, so this might be better. or it might be worse. I'm not sure if you can tell a difference. It says 60 frames per second. I'm pretty sure we were only streaming 30 frames per second before, so we must have substantially lower quality. I haven't configured the settings practically at all here. Hopefully we can still compare with the old settings, get the settings right before we dump the old account, because I had invested quite a bit in my OBS settings on the other account. But hopefully we're actually streaming. It says excellent here. It stands to reason the stream is resumed successfully. It kind of looked like this last time, except the entire computer basically took a dump and y'all couldn't see anything I was doing. Okay, so this is the best thing here. Oh, not that. That the search actually works, because that was one of the first casualties of my whatever catastrophe caused the Touch ID to stop working on my other account the day that I forgot the password. Alright, so displays. Here, which display in what order? How do we do that? That one. So there. This one is down like about here, actually. I'm going to do it more like this. Okay. And then let's see if we can get my face back. I'm going to regret this, I'm sure. I'm going to do it anyway. It's going to be great. Great content. Let's see. Video capture device. Logitech. Here, we're going to put me somewhere. Where am I going to go? About right there for now. Perfect. Let's see. Can we actually do this on stream? Oh, this is awesome. I totally want to do this on stream. Edit transform here. Crop left. Nope. 400. 5. 6. Oh. 600. 50. 700. Yeah, perfect. Top. 400. Nope. 300. That's great. Cool. Alright, we said we're going to do Minecraft. We're going to do Minecraft. Here, I have to find the setting to hide. Somewhere you can hide OBS itself from... I'm just going to take it to the other screen, actually. It's so easy. Why didn't I think of that? Okay. Oops. Here. Bring this back here. It's great. Just so you can see. Oh no. Why would I have to do that? We play on Minecraft 1.12.2, so it's absolutely absurd that I should need to update anything, but so it seems to be. always. Alright, here we go. Minecraft launcher. Oh, this stream is not for kids. Fuck. I don't want to get demonetized, but I also don't want to be accused of having a stream for kids. This stream is always marked not for kids. Typically has a not safe for work warning, so I think I can swear. I'm not really sure. It's permitted. Here we go. Great. Maybe this is just going to work. That would be nice. Just works for once. I don't think so. Once the world starts loading, it's really huge. Cool. So this is Spawn Island here. This is where I spawned. That's why I have a big house. I actually have a big house and an underground house as well. So you can see this is where it all began. Down here. This is where I almost roasted last night. We got this lava bucket to stay warm. Just put the lava in there. You don't need a campfire. It's great. Still have campfires here for nostalgic reasons because we haven't dug them up, but there's no functional purpose to the campfire anymore. You don't need to burn wood to survive. It's antique. This, I guess, is the pool. Here, let's fix that. That's kind of annoying. And we should probably go back to... I'm not used to playing Minecraft on a big screen. Actually, this is like way too huge. We should probably go back to second house island if we can. I'm afraid to die because I have lots of good stuff and my levels are high. Maybe I should spend my points here. Oh, perfect. Oh, wow. You can use a pickaxe now. That's a Minecraft mod if you're not a Minecraft player. You've probably, if you are a Minecraft player, you probably just went, wow, what's that? Unless you're a Minecraft modder. But, let's see, I've got lots of stuff. I'm gonna dump some of my stuff in case I die. That's one of the things that you do in this mod is you spend your experience points for levels. So here's where we did our first mining. Just went straight down from the spawn house. And lots of good stuff we got here. We got everything, but we don't have an iron pickaxe yet. That was the advancement we just made. We're able to use an iron pickaxe now. So there's diamonds down here I'm aware of. That if we... I think they're over there. Let's see if we can find them. There's the gold. Yeah, we can mine this gold and the diamonds now. So we can actually make a map. We're not going to do it on stream, are we? Oh, maybe we will. I'm not sure we have enough gold to make everything I want to make. You need gold to make a compass in this game. I'm not sure why. I think you would need iron to make a compass, but apparently you need gold in this game. This looks really precarious. I'm not sure I've been over there. I think I probably went that way. Let's see if we can get down there, get back that way. I just want to show you all the diamonds. Ugh. Try not to die on the way. Don't fall in the lava, right? Just don't fall in the lava. That's all you need to do. There. There's our diamonds. We definitely have some diamonds. There's redstone. I'm afraid to collect any of this stuff without iron pickaxe because I'm pretty sure it will crumble to dust and I will not have any of it. There we go. Lapis lazuli. You can get the lapis with I tried to get some lapis because it's not very high value comparatively. Maybe that's I think that's also a bit of a contentious point. What's truly rare, lapis or diamonds, because diamonds you just make into a tool once, but lapis you kind of need to collect it and use it for enchanting. So I think I've never done any of that. I would like to try though. Anyway, let's go back to the surface. Just gonna spend one night in Minecraft. The other thing I don't remember that I think one of these mods is doing, if you're not careful with your torches, you can actually set your house on fire if you have a wooden house. It's very... yeah. Let's see, is it dark? Is it nighttime yet? If we hang out near this lava, we'll get too hot, but I think it'll keep our house warm if we just keep it here. There's nothing that can burn down over here except for this chest, which doesn't have a lot of great stuff in it, really. Got an iron hoe. That's cool. But we're going to put the lava in the bucket for safekeeping, just because I don't want to burn anything. Alright, well, cool. Nothing went wrong. Episode 20 of Sunkworks. We're going to call this Milestone. This is the episode where nothing went wrong. Maybe if we play for long enough, maybe we should just cut it off right there, because I'm just asking for it. I'm going to die if I talk like that. See what's going to happen. I want to take us to... there's another place. Let's see. I have to look at the coordinates. So I want to go to -200, -200, I think, is about where I want to go to. I want to check, actually. I don't want to take you to the wrong place. We actually have a screenshot of the other house. So... we can definitely take us to the right place. Here, -70, -280. That's where the cows are. If we still have enough buckets, we can milk the cows and then bring it back and make cake when we get there. That's kind of what I was thinking we'd do. And here's where we're going. So so 2 stops. Can we do that? Can we do all that? Let's try it. Alright, we're going to go to negative... first we have to make sure we have buckets. -70, -280. Then we're going to go to -319, -151. Do we have buckets? We have 2 empty buckets. I think that we left 1 milk bucket at the destination. Hopefully we'll get there and there'll be enough milk buckets to make cake. Alright, we're going to -70. What was that? -280. So we've got to go towards -280. z and towards negative x. Yeah, we're going the right way. I want to get to negative 70, negative 280. So we're going straight north from the spawn. No, not straight north. Northwest. And this is all I did to get lost that first time. I spent a long time not knowing how to get home because I didn't know which direction I left in or what my original spawn point was. Negative 70, negative 280. We're almost there. Here. There's the cows. Alright. Alright, so actually this is not what I did to get lost. Let's milk the cows here before we do anything because we're going to make it home before dark. Wow, this is great. To the second home. If I milk you. That's cool. Alright, great. We've got all the milk we need, hopefully, to make cake when we get home. I'm not going to take your life, cow. There's no need for that. Okay. 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 Wait a minute. We have to figure out what direction we're going before. We need to go to negative 319, negative 151. So we're going back east? Z? Which way is X? X must be east-west. So we're going further west. And we're going back to the south. A little bit, I guess. That makes sense. Further west and back to the south. Don't go anywhere near those guys. Oh man. Are we going the wrong direction? Totally. Yeah. Hold on. Alright, we're looking for negative. I'm total party foul here. I'm sharing the location of my secret base. Alright. Negative 319, negative 151. That's what we want. Okay. So, yeah. We have to go around this little island here. Oh, there's a bat. And we're coming back this way. Yeah, it should just be up the... This makes sense. This reminds me of where I'm from. I only went a little bit west. Here we go. We got lots of lit up stuff. This is my home. Yeah, that's it over there. We don't need the coordinates anymore. Thank you. Here we go. Yeah, I took down a lot of the trees here. Wow. It's almost time for harvest. There's all my chickens. Did I make an airlock? I was going to finish this airlock here before we did. Let's see. Other milk? Yeah, there it is. Oh man, we got everything we need for cake. Here we go. We're going to make a cake. Does anyone know the recipe for cake? I'm sure it's eggs, milk. Here, what do we need? Lots of milk. Not seeds. Eggs, milk, wheat. I think that's everything. Yay! We're gonna make a cake. Oh, that's amazing. Now we're gonna eat some cake. delicious cake. Well, this is it. This is the stream where nothing went wrong. Episode 20. Thanks, everyone. I'm gonna cut it off here. This is too good. Have a great day.